Wagwan YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you I met my escovitch fish. First and foremost, big up Father God. We're going to jump into the intro and then I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm using for the escovitch fish. Let's go!
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So these are the fish I will be frying. Red snappers. See how they're looking at me? Because they know I'm going to fry them. Alright, they go crazy. So here, I have a piece of scallion, 4 cubes of garlic, and I have a scotch bonnet pepper. These, I'm going to burn these in the oil before I fry the fish. So these gonna season the oil. I have a lemon to wash the fish them. Over here, so I have some pimento berries, and I have some fresh black pepper. I'm going to crush them out inside here, so to mix with the all-purpose seasoning to season the fish them. Okay? This is the oil I'm using. I'm using corn oil. Okay, so now I'm going to cut off the fins. Clean them up real properly. They already scale. I just need to cut off the fins and clean out the inside, okay? They tell you they scale it, you still have to come back and brush it, okay? Can you see? There is scale, leave back on it. So you have to clean it properly. See? Still find scale on them. Okay, so I finished to clean the fish then. I'm going to wash them with the lemon now in cold water. This to get out the raw scent from them. My people, I'm going to share with you how to get the fishy scent out the house after you fry your fish, okay? So at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you how you do that, okay? So you could fry your fish in your house and when you finish, you get the fishy scent out the house. Okay, now I'm going to crush up the pimentos and the black pepper. You just want to do like this. Pretty easy. Easily. Now I'm going to crush the black pepper. And now I'm going to add the all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm mixing them together. See how that look, my people? Scrape out all of this. Here you go, my people. Homemade fish seasoning. Alright. Now it's time to season the fish them, okay? Okay, now before I season the fish them, I'm going to dry them with paper towel, okay? Just to get out the excess water out of them, because whenever I fry them, I don't want it to splash and mess up the stove, okay? So you want to go ahead and dry them with paper towel like this. Pat dry them. So they don't have no water on them. Just like this. Okay? Dry, dry, dry. So now they already finished dry. Go make some slice on them just for the season to soak. the season to marinate inside of them, okay? Just like this. Not too deep, okay? Now I'm going to season them up now. All that fresh black pepper and pimento mixed with the all-purpose seasoning. Now I finish seasoning them now. Now we'll go over to the stove. Okay, my people, over here, so I have my oil on the stove already hot. Now go add a pepper. Go add this scallion and some garlic. So I'm just go make them here stay in the oil for 2 to 3 minutes before I add the fish in the oil. Just to flavor up the oil, okay? Now it's already 2 minutes. Me go add the fish them in the oil. Right size pan. We go allow them to fry for 5 minutes on this side, okay? And medium heat, my people. I'm not trying to burn them up and I'm not trying to rush them. Medium heat for 5 minutes on this side, okay? Okay, my people. So now it's already 5 minutes. I'm going to turn them, flip them over, just like that. So I flip them on the other side. So 5 more minutes on this side and they're good to go. Okay, my people, the fish they already fried. So I'm gonna take them out of the oil now. See, nice and juicy. Okay, my people, this way I'm about to do, you need to do it right after you finish fry your fish in your house, okay? So you need a lemon cut up. Just slice up the lemon. Anyhow, you could use lemon or lime. Them is the same citrus. It don't matter. You're gonna need some white vinegar and you're gonna need some vanilla, okay? Make sure you do this right after you finish to fry the fish. So now I'm going over to the stove. So over here, sir, I have my pot with 2 cups of water boiling. I'm going to add the lemon to it. Now I'm going to add about 1/3 cup of white vinegar. Just like that. Roughly a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, so you just want to have it make it boil like this. So now we come to fully boil. So now we come to a fully boil. You just turn on your stove on low heat and make it stay. Yes, so you just want this to stay boiling on the stove and low heat, and it will get out the fishy scent out the house. Okay, my people? Okay, my people, now I'm going to add the escovitch sauce to the fish them. Just like this. This is how they look when they finish. Okay, my people, this is it. So if you want to know how I make my escovitch sauce, just watch this video right here. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. See you in the next video.